Listen. Hi everyone, I'm Quincy Hanyu J. Levello, and today we are going to do a fun experiment called Rainbow in a Glass. We'll use sugar, water, and food coloring to make a rainbow inside this glass. But first, let's see how sugar can affect water density. Density means how heavy or thick something is for each size. Materials to be used: 4 glasses, water, sugar, food coloring, spoon, scoop, syringe. Let's start. Prepare the solution. Add equal water of each glass. In the first glass, add 1 scoop of sugar. In the second glass, add 2 scoops of sugar and stir until it dissolves. In the third glass, add 3 scoops of sugar and stir well.
Now I can finally
By dissolving different amounts of sugar in the water, you create solutions different densities. Solution with more sugar will be denser than solution with less sugar. To save time, in dissolving the sugar, I prepared the same amount of water and sugar earlier in these glasses. Now add food coloring and add a different food color to each glass: yellow, red, green, and purple. Stir to mix the color and gently.
Just stop.
To make the rainbow, you add food coloring to each layer of sugar water. The color doesn't affect density, but it helps you see the different layers. the yellow liquid into the empty glass. This is the heaviest liquid. Slowly pour the red liquid on top of the first layer.
Kuya, can't you watch the swatch Kuya? Ang likot mo. Watch ko na kay Kuya. Ang Kuya is performing.
Change coloring. Ay, broken? Mommy, broken na? Mommy, sirat na? No, that's the glass
Let's pour the green liquid.
Okay, it's okay. And finally, pour the purple liquid on top. And there we go, a rainbow in a glass. We did do right. Very easy. Thank you. Big glass.
Can I drink that?
Very good.
Can I drink that? No! Of course you can. No! Can I drink sugar water? Sugar water. No! Is it drinkable?
Okay. Very good, Zion.
I said